Hey folks, Barnaby Dixon here. So this is a concept that I've been developing for a little while. It's not quite finished yet, I don't think. Probably I'll develop it a little further. But essentially what I've done is I've attached a GoPro to my actual face and a screen to the puppet's head. So this shows my facial expressions in real time. And what's kind of fun or exciting about this is the fact that I think it opens up a whole new realm of potential of kind of live stuff. So what I've done is I've prepared a backing track of a cover of an old Jolson track. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the vocals live as I operate the puppet. So I hope you like it.
Oh, how we danced on the night we were wed. We vowed our true love, though a word wasn't said. The world was in bloom, there were stars in the skies, except for the few that were there in your eyes. Dear, as I held you so close in my arms, angels were singing a hymn to your charms. Two hearts softly beating were murmuring low, my darling, I love you so. Softly beating, murmuring low, darling, I love you so. My darling, I love you so.
Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the work that I'm doing, here is a link to my Patreon account. In the description of this video, you can find links to my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all those things. Blah, 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 blah.